everyone and welcome to another video. So this video is going to be a cleanup like somebody's coming over, because my friend is coming over in less than an hour, so I need to get cleaning. It's not too messy, it's nice and clean, but it's just toys and clothes and like food mess and stuff like that. So I'm going to be cleaning like someone's coming over. So let's go. So I'm actually going to start in this room so that I can take any washing, things like that into the kitchen to be washed and stuff when I start on the kitchen. So let's do that first. As I was hoovering around here, I noticed there's something on the stairs, and also the stairs is very gross. So I'm going to be doing a little vacuum of some of the stairs, probably most of them, but there's like a yogurt splat or something. This is stuff to take upstairs, so I'm going to take that upstairs as well. Probably a bit stupid doing it like that, but I could not be bothered to change the vacuum or sweep it. But it's all done. It only took 2 minutes, so what's the problem? Anyway, so I did all the way to the top step. That's it. And now it is time to move on to the other room. So I'm going to put these back on the stairs, so remember to take them up. And now we're going to start on the kitchen. So the first thing I'm going to do in the kitchen is clear the work surfaces, make sure there's no washing up or anything like that on the worktops. So that's what I'm going to do first over here. Now I'm going to clear all the worktops around here, put everything where it's supposed to be, and then I'm going to do the washing up. So let's do that. While I leave that to work for 5 minutes, I'm going to just do the washing up. There's not loads, just gonna get it done. What's up, babe? Mommy. What's the matter? Oh. Do you want a pear? Should we put cocoa on? So the worktops are nice and tidy. Now it's time to do the floor. The floor isn't too bad. There's just a few bits and pieces lying around and it needs a little sweep, and that is it. And then we're going to move on to the extension room. So let's do that. Now it is time to clean the extension room, so I'm going to start doing that now. the last thing that I'm going to do is light a wax melt so that my house smells gorgeous. Not even gonna lie, just changed Issa's smelly nappy, so that's gonna have to go on. Also gonna light a candle in that room as well, and a wax melt in that room so that the whole downstairs smells delicious. But yeah, that is it. That is going to be the end of this video. I'll give you a quick overview of what the whole of the downstairs looks like. It's not perfect, always not going to be perfect. When you have kids, nothing ever is perfect in your house, so you know, don't worry about the few toys and bits and bobs that are just lying around and the things that you haven't got around to do yet. But yeah, that is going to be the end of this video, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Say bye! Yay! High five! Yeah, give me a kiss. Say mommy. Say mommy. Ah! That's not nice. Be gentle, be gentle. Give me a kiss.